Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are listening to Jogele Entertainment. Here we give you sizzling hot gist of what is trending in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world at large. If you are new in our midst, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like so as to get the latest update on what is happening in Nigeria. From the Grammy, but we are seeing the music industry. Naira Marley recently tweeted, he said, even if they increase fuel price to 1 million naira per liter, God please, let us be able to afford it. I mean, what do you say about this prayer? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Vatican came up recently, the Pope, actually that is the head of the Vatican, came up recently and said lesbians, gays, bisexual, transgender, and queer, they call them LGBTQ or GLBTQ, that they are not, it is not acceptable in the Bible. That if you are practicing this, if you are a lesbian, you are a gay, you are bisexual, you are transgender, you are a queer or questioning. The Q stands for queer or questioning, that if you are any of these and you go to church, maybe with your gay couple or your lesbian couple to get married in the Catholic Church, that they won't marry you because it is unacceptable in the Bible. That has actually been trending. And remember, in this country called Nigeria, if you are gay or you are a lesbian or you are bisexual and you are caught, you'll be sent to prison. The Vatican recently came up and said anybody that is practicing such things, that it is actually a sin to practice such things. And if you are a gay or queer or transgender or lesbian or bisexual, that you are a sinner. And you know what the Catholic Church teaches? That sinners will not make heaven. People have been reacting to this. So many persons have been dropping in messages. Well, someone tweeted, the person goes by the name First Doctor. He said, the Vatican's decision not to bless LGBTQ plus couples is based on the rules they have chosen to guide the Catholic Church. Affected couples have the right to belong to somewhere else that fits their beliefs better. The Pope forces no one to be Catholic. What do you say about that? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Another person that goes by the name John Pavlovitz tweeted, Dear Catholic Church, it doesn't matter whether you bless some gender marriage or not. God already does. God created LGBTQ people. God gave free will. God is love. One day you wake up and realize that discrimination is a sin. This is actually huge. Is it right for someone to be gay or to be a lesbian? Should the Pope give his blessings, or should the Catholic Church give their blessings to those who are LGBTQ? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Still on that, someone also dropped a tweet, the communicator. He said, Dear African warriors, just like Catholic can bless same-sex marriage, say no to gay and lesbianism. He said, even LGBTQ community members are product of able men and women union. That is the naked truth. What do you think about this? Don't forget to drop your comment below. Is it what the Catholic Church is doing? Is it right or is it wrong? But if you are reading the Bible, it is actually spelled out in the Bible. If you are a Christian reading the Bible, it's actually spelled out in the Bible that gays, people who are gays and lesbians and the rest, that they will not inherit the kingdom of God. It is actually spelled out in the Bible. And remember what happened to Sodom and Gomorrah. They have gays, they have lesbians. God warned them. They didn't listen and God had to destroy them. It is actually not in the Bible. There's nowhere in the Bible that. But we have gays, we have lesbians, we have bisexuals, we have transgenders, and we have questioning. There are so many of them out there. What is your take on that? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Well, recently people have been complaining about bed king. Bed king, what is your problem? Nigeria is a terrible country. It's not easy. People have been hustling. People have been hustling to make ends meet in this country. So many people have been hustling to make ends meet. Now, Bed King has been breaking people's hearts. He said, "Dear at Bed King NG, it is really unfortunate that you guys are trending for the wrong reasons this morning. Now, Nigerians are moving to boycott your platform. I hope other bookies like Bet Niger Official would learn from this. Stop using Bet King." That is actually what has been trending all day. Stop using Bet Kings. Stop using Bet King. Another person that goes by the name Victory tweeted, hashtag stop using Bet King. Useless people, release my 110,000. Which one is? I should bring names of identity. Someone played the game on your platform. The person won. You are asking the person to bring identity. Which identity? Did you ask the person when he was doing registration? And everybody has to register. You have to register on the platform before you start betting. uh what are your takes on that? Don't forget to drop your comments below. Tonto Dike, the popular Tonto Dike. Well, Tonto Dike dumps Bobrisky for new man. Bobrisky is a cross-dresser. He's a man and he's now a woman. Yeah. What seems to be an enviable friendship between two Nigerian socialites has hit the rocks as Tonto Dike dumps Bobrisky for a new best friend. She has dumped Bobrisky for a new best friend. Well, the man in question is a Nigerian politician known as Honorable Kevin Olu. This is Tonto Dike's new bestie. Tonto Dike announced their friendship to the dismay of fans who were in support of her friendship with Bobrisky. Sharing her new best friend on Instagram, the mother of one, Tonto Dike praised Honorable Olu while highlighting the qualities of a real best friend. She wrote, "Best friends are the people you can do anything and nothing with and still have the best memories. My G, Honorable Chief." And this news is coming after Tonto Dike fell out with Bobrisky for an undisclosed reason. Despite their feud, Bobrisky has openly pledged support for Tonto regardless of what happens. The crossdresser Bobrisky also admitted that the fight was her fault as she was somewhat rude to Tonto Dike when they disagreed. What do you say about this? Don't forget to drop your comment below. Thank you very much for watching Jungle Entertainment. We hope you are daily entertained. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like so as to get the latest update on what is popping in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world at large. We promise I will keep to our promises to keep you updated with the times. Take care of yourself and have a lovely day.